How to fix CapCut couldn't load. Go to your phone settings. Tap on App Management. It's usually listed somewhere in the settings menu. Look for it and tap on it. Tap on App List. This will show you all the apps installed on your phone in alphabetical order. Use the search bar to find CapCut. Just type CapCut into the search bar at the top. Tap on CapCut. Once you find it in the list, give it a tap to open its settings. Tap on Storage Usage. This will show you how much space CapCut is taking up on your phone. Tap on Clear Data. This will basically reset CapCut's data, which can help fix the problem. Go back and tap on Permissions. You want to make sure CapCut has all the permissions it needs to work properly. Allow all permissions. Just toggle all those switches to the on position. Now, open your App Store. Whether you use the Play Store or the App Store, open it up. Search for CapCut. Just type CapCut into the search bar and hit Enter. Tap on CapCut from the search results. If there's an update available, tap on Update. Make sure you're running the latest version of CapCut. So there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be back to editing your videos on CapCut in no time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.